Hey, how y'all doing today? Good. Don't stand too close. Just don't stand too close. Hey, so I just found out the new side effect of Monjauro. And my Monjauro people can verify this. They're called sulfur burps. Freaking sulfur burps. The fuck? Like you want me to be single for the rest of my life? Is that what you're trying to do? Sulfur burps. And then they're gross. They're so gross. It's like you ate an egg like 50 years ago, but it's still in your throat. That's exactly what the sulfur burps taste and smell like. I don't like this. I don't like this. I'm doing the best I can not to take this goddamn medicine, but really? Sulfur burps? You couldn't come up with something else? Like, oh God. Oh, those would be horrific. Can you imagine a sulfur fart? Oh God. Oh. Like, y'all know I'm a 12-year-old child. Leave me alone. Sulfur farts. I could clear out a room. Wait. Oh God. Oh yeah. Okay. Good news is that it's just. I hope my breath doesn't smell like this, man, because that'd be kind of messed up. I'm gonna go drink some Listerine. But I did find out that if you do have the sulfur burps from Monjauro, if y'all don't know this already, my Monjauro people, listen. Apple cider vinegar, because I had to research it because this is killing me right now. I'm smelling and feeling death right now, okay, because it's horrible. So apple cider vinegar, they said to drink a lot of water, which is a freaking lie because I've drank so much water, I'm peeing every 5 minutes, okay? So, and then they said the diet, so I can't eat Brussels sprouts unless I want the sulfur burps. Y'all know that's my favorite thing, right? Y'all know that's my jam. Y'all know that's my jam. Why are they doing this to me? Why? Sulfur farts. I'm sorry.